Hey, what is happening, guys? Good morning. My name's Johnny. You've tuned into Rules for Rebels. You guys are waking up to a historic day today. So yesterday, Bitcoin crossed over $10,000. Litecoin crossed over $100 for the first time. Those are first for both of those, and just really kind of a cool day. For any of you guys who are holding Bitcoin, who've held Bitcoin through this, you're literally a part of history, which is kind of cool. And, you know, I've realized Bitcoin is in its early stages. It's still an experiment. Well, I don't think it will happen. Bitcoin could, you know, crash and burn, you know, a month from now, 6 months from now, a year from now. I actually think it has a very bright future, but you are a part of history. You have been a part of history. You might be part of like the biggest, tulip mania thing in the world. I hate when people say the whole tulip thing, but you may be part of the part of history for like the biggest rise and fall of wealth in history. You could be part of history looking back, of course, for you could be part of the greatest wealth generator for the average person that this world's ever seen. You could be right now part of the end of fiat dollars and government money and, the start of internet money. Nobody knows what'll happen here, but, so Bitcoin crossed 10,000 last night. I'll tell you guys what, I actually had a sell order in yesterday, for 10,000 on the dot, and we kept getting up so close and then pulling back and getting so close and pulling back. And I actually kind of, because of that, and because it always kind of happens when we hit all-time highs, because of that, I put a sell order in at 10 grand, not even for a full coin, right? For a couple grand just to take out some profits. But I thought we were going to hit 10 and pull back because there was such a high sell wall. It just didn't seem like anybody wanted to pay 10 grand for a Bitcoin. And I woke up this morning, I saw 10,800, rolled over for 2 minutes before I could even get up and go get my coffee. I checked again and it was 10,900. So it is really, really starting to run. This Thursday, we got that Big Bang Theory episode. I mean, with the recent surge in price, plus getting that kind of exposure, plus the CME thing going up, it's crazy. I'm going to kind of readjust some of my predictions and expectations. And obviously, it's really, really difficult to predict something going out to the end of 2018 because that's so long, and a week is a long time in the world of crypto. So a year plus is even crazier to try to predict. But I'm gonna say $25,000 by the end of 2018, and it could very easily go higher than that. But I don't want to say, well, it could be 25,000, it could be 100,000, it could be a million. I'm gonna say very realistic that it could hit 25,000 in 2018. And even before the end of the year, I was watching Ozziethebesfilter the other day, and I think he said 12 or 14 before Christmas, and I was like, nah, I don't think so. But I'm not saying it's going to happen, but it's at least possible at this point. So kind of cool stuff going on. I've been getting a lot of emails from people, messages from people, whatever, asking, I wish there was a simple Bitcoin guide. And there's actually a ton of great resources out there on YouTube and what have you. But I did put together just kind of like try to be as concise and simple as possible, like a brief guide to cryptocurrency, like what is Bitcoin and crypto, what are the types of wallets, where to buy it, how to trade altcoins, etc. So I'll try to get that out within the next day or so. Yeah, for now, guys, I mean, just soak it up. Bitcoin at 10K. Yeah, I was going to touch on something else, and I think maybe I'll save it for another video. So, thank you all for watching. Congratulations to everyone who's still holding. And if anybody doesn't yet have Bitcoin and is looking to get in, I don't know that I'd buy in at these prices right now. I might wait for a pullback if I were just getting in for my first time. But, heck, even if you just want to get 10 bucks just to kind of be a part of it, you can do that. I'll link to a couple places where you can buy Bitcoin below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.